Guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Modesta, a Nigerian mommy vlogger living in Luxembourg. If this is your first time coming across my channel, hi, you're highly welcome. Subscribe to the channel and join the family. In this video, I'll be showing you how I made this sumptuous pepper chicken. Trust me, you really enjoy this video. So guys, this is what I'll be using to make my pepper chicken. I have my tomatoes here, my onions, pepper, green bell pepper, red bell pepper. Anyways, I love using this green bell pepper because of its flavor. I really love the flavor it gives after making that pepper sauce. So I'm not using so much pepper because we have a toddler that eats with us. This is the much I'll be using. Then I'll blend all these and cook and then use it for my chicken. Let me show you my chicken. So they're actually frozen chicken. These 2 boxes will be enough. I will then put water inside, defrost them and cut them into my desired sizes. So as you can see, I already have my stuff here to wash, but before then I'll go ahead and add water to this so that it will help the chicken defrost very fast. Whenever I'm in the kitchen like this cooking, I try to maybe go on YouTube, watch something to make it interesting, to make the cooking interesting, of course. So right now I'm watching Modesta Aniogolu. Okay, she's on YouTube. She's a YouTuber too, based in Qatar. She just uploaded, and while I'm doing my cooking, I'm watching her video. So it's interesting. This is how I do my stuff in the kitchen. wondering where I kept the chicken stock, this is the chicken stock, I got from boiling the chicken. I would put it in a container and put in the freezer. Yes, I will use it to cook something else. So let's complete our meal. The tomato I blended, this is the quantity I got. As you can see, it is really dry, like it's well dried. I tested it, it tastes so good and peppery enough for us. If you love peppers, you can add to your taste, add more pepper if you want. It tastes really good. And yeah, when I was frying the tomato, I didn't show, I forgot, I added spices to the tomato. Yes, my exact spices, just like the way I added spices while boiling the chicken. So I added spices and it's so good. Right now I'll go ahead to add some things to it. So I'll add my bell peppers. Anyway guys, this is not compulsory, okay? It's by choice how you want it. So this is how we actually love it in this house. Then I will allow to cook a little bit before I would add my chicken and mix everything together. It has really cooked enough. I have my chicken here and I will turn my chicken into the pot.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah,